Often, sheet metal is the obvious choice for a myriad of industrial uses ranging from simple brackets, enclosures, and ducting to complex car bodies. An important step in the process of fabricating sheet metal parts is the ability to virtually reverse the manufacturing process to unbend digital sheet metal parts and lay the original sheet metal design flat. New functionality in CGM Modeler now allows the fast, automatic unbending of such sheet metal parts. Consider, for example, a typical sheet metal part from Oshcut, an innovative spatial customer with the first on-demand web portal for sheet metal part design and fabrication. The sheet metal part can be automatically unfolded in 2 easy steps. First, a flat face is selected. Any flat face can be selected. Second, the selected flat face is input into the new automatic unbend operator in CGM, which automatically traverses the part, detects all bends, and unfolds each bend. The process is extremely fast. So fast, the process is difficult to show. Once the original design has been unfolded, the exact size of the sheet metal plank can be determined. Afterward, a material can be selected and fabrication costs determined. Finally, the sheet metal part can be fabricated, usually by laser cutting any cutout features along with the perimeter of the part, and then bending it into its final configuration and delivering it to the customer. The entire virtual workflow for the import and unbending of sheet metal parts can be implemented into any CAD or CAM software application. For example, the diagram here illustrates the workflow in the context of Oshcut's innovative, first-on-the-market, on-demand web portal for cost quotation and fabrication. Oshcut's on-demand web portal allows customers to import digital models of sheet metal parts in a wide range of formats via 3D InDraw, and then select a material such as various aluminums or steel alloys. Oshcut's web portal then automatically defines fabrication steps by unbending the part with CGM Modeler and subsequently determining the fabrication cost based on size, material, and fabrication steps. The customer can then elect to order the part, which is then delivered in a few days. As a concrete example, consider the same sheet metal part, which was displayed before, but this time, live in the context of Oshcut's web portal. The sheet metal part, originally an STP file, is dragged into the web portal. Then, the customer selects thickness and material, in this case, 0.12 millimeters or 0.048 inches, or 18 gauge cold rolled steel. Afterwards, the part is unfolded via CGM's automatic unbending functionality. The price of fabrication for this sheet metal part is $10.29 US. The customer can elect to order the part, which will then be delivered in a few days to the customer's doorstep. Overall, Oshcut's process is extremely simple and fast with an attractive and intuitive user interface. In fact, Oshcut's spatial-enabled portal is already changing Industry 4.0's landscape by uniting digital design and cost estimation functionality with physical fabrication capabilities in an easy-to-use online portal. In doing so, Oshcut provides its customers with on-demand customized convenience. Consult Spatial or visit our website today for more details on the myriad of ways CGM Modeler can automate and tailor your digital manufacturing workflows.